It's producer Netheo and the beat.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Edozie and today I'm going to be sharing with you my daily makeup routine. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share it, and if you love what you're seeing, please make sure you stick around to the end. You might learn a thing or two. Let's get right into this video. Well, right now the only thing I have on my lips is my lip balm, which at times is the only thing I wear on my lips when I am probably late or don't just feel like going the extra mile with a lip pencil and a nude lipstick. So we're going to start off with our brows. For my brows, I'm going in with my classic eyebrow pencil. I've had it for a while. It's very short. My classic eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie at the end, so I'm just going to comb my brows up and then fill them in lightly. When I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to conceal them, and I'm using the Milani Secret Cover Concealer Cream. This is in the shade Deep Dark. It's really close to my skin tone. Take over the harsh lines and so next up is foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Glam Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation. It's very lightweight. It is not full coverage. I'm in the shade SPF 17. It's lightweight. When I have it on, I don't feel like I have anything on my face. It just gives me the whole natural face-like, skin-like feel. The primer I use daily is the Sephora Face Primer. This is Bare Mineral Flawless Matte. And when priming on a daily, I prime my whole.
It's producer Netheo and the beat.
Now that the foundation is all good, we're going to be going in with I'm going to be going in with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. To get the highlighted effect without going in with the whole concealer thing, when you put your foundation on, you can always go in with a bit of setting powder. I don't know if it's a secret, but it's something I just discovered. And I don't bake, so the moment I put that on, I dust it off. So in my everyday daily makeup routine, I'm not crazy about colors. Most times I just go in with matte eyeshadows very lightly on my eye and my lids. Most times the same color, because there's really no time to start going into the crease, the outer corner, then the inner corner, and then the inner tear duct. That's a lot of work. So I just go in with one matte color on my whole eye, and this is my go-to palette for that. This is a Profusion matte eyeshadows. The shadows in here are really pigmented and they just glide on smoothly. Most times I don't even use a primer. I just put this on and I'm off. So today I'm going to be going in with this very deep brownish reddish shade, and I'm going to put it very lightly. It might not even show up, but then it just makes my face look a lot better. So now in the mornings when going to work, there's really no time to do the whole cat eye, sharp, winged out eyeliner. So I just go in with my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner crayon, and I use this for my waterline too. So I just do something tiny on top and something tiny at the bottom. I like it that way. You could actually wear this without anything. Same thing in my waterline. So for my lips, I don't do much. Most times I use my nude lipsticks. On days where I don't feel like using nudes, I might just wear a lip balm or a clear lip gloss, depends on my mood. This lipstick is actually from Kylie Cosmetics. I've had it for a while. It's in the number 07. It's really old. So normally I'll just line my lips very lightly with a brown lip pencil. Really lightly, nothing too serious. And then I'll go in with this lightly too.
It's producer Netheo and the Beat.
And so for the purpose of this video, I'll be going in with a clear lip gloss. I don't do that every day. At times I just wear the matte look, at times I go for the glossy look, but I'll be using a clear lip gloss. This is by Iman, Absolute Iman, and it's long lasting lip gloss. So I'm just going to put a little on a brush and use that on my lips. This looks really simple. It doesn't take a lot to do, and it's not time consuming. You could do this in between 7 to 10 minutes and you're off. So guys, this is what I was able to come up with. I'll go get my hair done and I'll be right back. So hey guys, I'm back. I decided to put on a pair of falsies. Please click the subscribe button, it's totally free. Like and share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this stuff. And I'm open to suggestions on video ideas of what you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.